Financial freedom is not just a dream, but it's a tangible goal that you can achieve by utilizing your VA home loan. Here's how you do it. One of the ways is buying your principal residence, your main house, where you're going to live. By utilizing your VA loan, you don't have a payment. It's a zero down payment. So you can utilize the money that you would have put into it to either do upgrades and fixes and things around the house that you would have wanted to do anyway. And on top of that, over the course of a couple of years, you're going to start to notice that your equity is building up in that home. You can utilize that equity to invest in another property. It's going to seem like a lot. A lot of people's argument is that it's cheaper to rent than to buy. And by far, that is not the case. You're comparing apples to oranges. You need to compare apples to apples. If I buy a townhome that is a 2-bedroom townhome and I'm renting a 2-bedroom apartment, if you compare those two, generally the monthly payment for that property, if you were to purchase it, would be less than the equivalent place that you are going to rent. The next way is house hacking. When house hacking, I would prefer not to rent out the individual rooms. So can you buy a multifamily unit? Yes, you can. You can buy up to a 4-plex, rent out the other 3, and live in one. Those other 3 units that you're renting out, well, guess what? A certain percentage counts towards your income to help you qualify for a larger loan amount to actually purchase that property. So you're not solely relying on your income alone. The next way is to like this video. You know you want to do it. I'm kidding. But really, the next way is to buy and hold. I'm not talking you hold on to that home for 5 or 6 years. I'm talking long term, because a house as an investment depreciates over a long period of time. Not a tax professional, but 27 and a half years is what I've heard. With all of these things said, none of it will become a reality. You will not become financially free unless you're smart about it. Talk to professionals. Talk to people that are in the know.